Okay, well, let's try this out. Hey folks, it's Fred from CR Machine, and I'm just dusting off this machine that's been inactive for about 4 years now. I used to use it for making all kinds of short-run production. It's a Warner Swasey. It is American as apple pie. Of course, Warner Swasey, no longer in business, is one of the most powerful American machine tool manufacturers of U.S. history. Helped win the war in World War II, actually. Warner Swasey. Us machinists, old school machinists, know about Warner Swasey and the turret lathe and all that. This is a pre-CNC automatic lathe, chucking lathe. And we're going to make reproduction Model T, Ford Model T part with this thing. And although this is not a motorized bicycle part, I think you folks would probably find this very interesting. And I like to show this machine off because it is the finest design. The Warner Swasey engineers were truly artists. Here's the blank. It's a long part. I'm good at making long parts. That's steel, solid bar stock. And this machine here, this Warner Swasey 0AB, actually turned into an AC. No, it's AC. 0AC chucker automatic is going to do the second operation. We'll put it in the collet. Air collet, we close it. We close the door and we're starting up. It's going to be noisy because it's a hydraulic pump that runs. Fancy die head, almost forgot that. Limit switches, cams, and relays, folks. That's how this thing runs. It's quite incredible. Just chamfering the part right there with two tools. And last but not least, the die head to thread it. Look at that. Oh, it took me a long time to learn how to do that. Nice shiny threads. I hope you got a kick out of that.